Hi guys, Zorimor here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you Sezane's Scotland collection. I'm really excited for it. I love plaid. In the spirits of the theme, I'm wearing this gorgeous blazer by Veronica Beard. If you're not familiar with the brand, you should definitely check it out. Their cuts are fantastic and the materials are chef's kiss. Links in the description of this video. I just came back from New England and I'm leaving tomorrow for Seattle, so I'm gonna try to execute this video in one day, which is, oh my god, it's like a really short time frame, but I know a lot of you can't wait to see the Scotland collection, so I'm gonna try to move really quickly through it. You might have seen previews of these items on my Facebook group. If you're not part of it, I'm gonna link it in the description of this video. I hope you join us on there. I share content on day-to-day basis and it's a great way to stay in touch and also to ask me questions if you have any. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. And without any further ado, let's get into today's video. This here is the Scott coat in red plaid. I am mildly obsessed with this. It reminds me of the holidays around this time of the year. I am pretty happy to start making that reference. That kind of Christmas spirit is in the air and I am here for it. The coat is really warm. It's made out of 70% wool. I own another plaid coat. I had it for 5 years, but unfortunately that one is mostly polyester, so it's not warm. And I've been on the lookout for something that is made out of mostly wool, so here it is. Highly recommended. Go with your usual size. I went with 34 and I'm able to wear it with both thin layers but also chunky sweaters. I don't lose any, kind of like mobility when I wear something chunky. It's good for winter and kind of the colder days of the fall. This here is the Diego jumper. If your skin is sensitive, this sweater has 0 itch. It's made out of 100% merino wool and it's soft as a cloud. In terms of fit, go with your usual size. This here is an extra small. It's what I usually get from Sezane in terms of sweaters. It is a boxy fit and I like it this way. If you would like something more form-fitting, you could experiment sizing down, but I don't recommend it because this is the look for this type of sweater. You want it to be a little bit larger and you want it to be like a cloud that's hugging you. All in all, it's a fantastic addition to anyone's closet. It's a timeless piece. I do know from inspecting Sezane stories that there will be more colors coming out, so if ecru is something you already have in spades in your wardrobe, make sure to be patient. It will be worth it. There's more colors coming. This here is the Feel Pant. I adore this fabric. It's 100% wool and the colorway is just gorgeous. It's something that I want to have in my closet. However, even though this is size 34 and it technically fits me, it fits me around the waist, it fits me around the hips, the silhouette just doesn't work for my body type and I can't pinpoint the reason, but it's just when I look myself in the mirror, these pants make me look short and really wide. Unfortunately, I know I have to send them back, but I'm already kind of plotting on getting the jumpsuit or the skirt in this pattern because the fabric itself, it's gorgeous. They might work for your body type though. I'm just saying, for me, they're a no, but it's a very hard no because I'm enamored with the fabric. This here are the Lucas pants size 34, which is my usual size. The silhouette of these pants is very flattering. They make my legs look extra long. The material is wool, which is very cozy, very warm, and the color of the wool consists of many different green colored speckles, and depending on how the light hits the pant, different shade of green comes to the surface, which adds dimension. I love that about a piece of clothing. The length of the pant is extremely long, but I'm willing to hem them because they will be great for every day, but also you can dress them up. For example, if I paired them with the blazer I have on, this will be almost like a pantsuit and it will be very chic. All in all, it's a fantastic pair of pants. Highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this. Next up, I have the Will jacket in wool. For those of you following my channel, I have the suede will and I have cotton wills. The virgin wool version is definitely warmer, which makes it a great candidate for your fall wardrobe. The jacket is lined from the inside. The colorway is really beautiful, perfect for fall. When I opened this order, when I opened the box, I was like, well, everything goes with each other. It's like I ordered like a capsule wardrobe. It's very easy to mix and match all the pieces that you see in today's video. Size wise, I went with size extra small, which is my usual size. If you do not have a wool jacket and you're hesitant on the size, I have a whole video covering sizing. I'm gonna link to it in the description of this video. These here are the Wallace shorts. I own them in denim. I wore them all summer long. They're my go-to summer shorts. I was very excited when I saw that Sezane is releasing them in wool. By the way, the wool used on these shorts is the same as the Lucas trousers. I went with size 34, which is my usual size. I don't recommend sizing up or down. These shorts are high-waisted. They come with a button fly, turquoise color buttons, which complement the green wool really well. You get deep pockets, and I don't know what else to say. The Trudy jumper has been on my radar since it's been released in the striped version. Then when the pink version was out, my fingers were itching, and finally when the green came out, I added it to cart. This type of green is something I don't own a lot of in my closet, so that was a great excuse in front of myself, because I always try to reason like, why am I adding this to my closet? This is a very easy color for fall and something I don't have, so it was a very, you know, no-brainer decision. Big fan of the gold buttons that run on the side. The color is complex. When the light hits it, different shades of green come to the surface, and it's a quality I really appreciate in clothing. Stick to your usual size. I'm doing extra small, and there are no surprises in terms of cut or fit. It was made in Italy, and the composition is 38% polyamide, 31% kid mohair, 30% merino wool, and 1% elastin. This here is the Maria skirt in the new floral pattern. Here's a close-up of the pattern. Really beautiful. Many colors to use as inspiration for your accessories or tops. However, let me tell you, I'm not keeping this Maria skirt because I already ordered the brown one during the previous drop, and I have to be really mindful of what I add to my closet. The space is really tight by now, so I'm not keeping it. But if you haven't made the move and added a beautiful skirt to your fall wardrobe, this could be a great option. Stick with your usual size. This is 34. There are no surprises. It fits just like all the other Maria skirts. Alright guys, this is it for today. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the Scotland collection. Which items are your favorite? Did you shop it? Are you waiting for something to be restocked? I want to know. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.